How to post on Facebook using N8N. So to post on Facebook using N8N, you'll need to set up a workflow that utilizes the Facebook Graph API. And here's a step-by-step guide. So first, prepare your Facebook app or create a Facebook app, add webhooks or products, and then configure the app settings. So within your app settings, you'll need to configure the details, add some webhooks, and then go to developer and do their thing. And you also need to generate an access token. So generate an access token and then configure the details like the app's display name and contact email. And then involve some appropriate permissions. Then connect your Facebook with an 8N. So create a new credential, in 8N create a new Facebook Graph API credential, and then configure the Facebook Graph API node, and then select the correct node and edge, and then set the HTTP method to POST. And then define the content, like using your message field or parameters to specify the content you want to post, and then test the workflow. So after testing the workflow button in it and to trigger the workflow and verify that the post is published successfully. And here's some additional tips. You need to test thoroughly before automating large-scale posting. You need to also have error handling and consider AI and have some scheduling. But overall, that's how you can basically post on Facebook using N8N.